Welcome friends. This is my video number 8 on topic matrices for 12th science and arts student. In last video we studied the method of inversion for solving the system of linear equation. In today's lecture we study a second method, that is method of reduction. This method is used for solving the system of linear equations. In this method, consider the system of linear equations. a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1. The second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2. And third equation is a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. These are three linear equations in x, y, z. In earlier method, that is method of inversion, we convert these equations into matrix form. Similarly, here also matrix form is, we consider matrix A is equal to coefficient of x, y, z, that is A is equal to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 and A3, B3, C3. Then x is equal to, x means capital X, that is equal to x, y, z. This is a column matrix, and matrix B is equal to right hand side elements, that is column matrix also d1, d2, d3, such that the matrix equation is Ax is equal to B. Now we put the value of A, X and B, then this matrix equation becomes this A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 into X is equal to X, Y, Z is equal to B is equal to D1, D2, D3. In this method, we convert the matrix A into either it is upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix. That means by using transformation, generally we use row transformation. Using row transformation, in this matrix, this is the diagonal. The elements below the diagonals, all three elements below the diagonals, we convert these three elements into 0. Then we convert the matrix into upper triangular matrix by using row transformation. Means we convert this A2 is into 0, A3 into 0, B3 into 0. Or second method, we convert this matrix A into lower triangular matrix, means we have to change the elements above the diagonals 0. In this method, generally we convert the first column of this matrix A1 as 1, 0, 0, means this convert A1 one element is equal to 1, A2 one element is equal to 0 and A3 one is equal to 0. And then this element, that is A3 2, this element into 0. Then we get upper triangular matrix. And then by using matrix multiplication, we multiply this matrix. Then we get three equations. Solving these three equations, we get the value of x, y and z. Now we solve few examples on method of reduction to solve the equations by using reduction method. The example number 1 is, solve the following equation by using reduction method. And the equations are 2x minus y plus z is equal to 1, x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 8, and last third equation is 3x plus y minus 4z is equal to 1. Now solution is, given equations are 2x minus y plus z is equal to 1, x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 8, and 3x plus y minus 4z is equal to 1. Now we have to solve this equation by reduction method. So first of all, we have to convert this equation into matrix form. So matrix form is, let A is equal to, matrix A is equal to 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 1, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and third equation's coefficient 3, 1, minus 4. So we get matrix A. Matrix X, capital X, which is equal to variable X, Y, Z. This is a column matrix, and matrix B is equal to right hand side elements. This is also column matrix 1, 8, 1. Such that its matrix equation is Ax is equal to B. Now put value of A, matrix A, 2 minus 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1 minus 4 into X. X means capital X means X, Y, Z, which is equal to B. B matrix means column matrix 1, 8, 1. Now in this method, convert this matrix A into upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix. Now in this matrix 2, 2 minus 4, this is a diagonal. We convert elements below these diagonals into 0. That means 1 into 0, this 3 into 0, and 1 converted into 0. Now first of all, I convert this 2 into 1. Means I write transformation here, performing R1 interchanges to R2. Means here in R1 first element is 2 and in R2 first element is 1. So after converting R1 into R2, that means R1 is converted to 1, 2, 3 and R2 is converted to 2 minus 1, 1. So here R1 is 1, 2, 3. R2 is 2 minus 1, 1. Means R1 interchanges to R2 and R3 remains in same position 3, 1 minus 4 into X, Y, Z remains same, which is equal to, we use same transformation which is used in left hand side. That means it is this 1 means R3 1 is remains in same position and 1, 8 are interchange. R1 interchanges to R2, so 8, 1, 8 in R1 and 1 in R2. Now we convert this 2 into 0. This 2 into 0, that means if we multiply this 1 by 2 and then subtract from 2, then we get 0 here. So I write transformation. This R2 minus 2 into R1. If we multiply 1 by 2, that means we multiply R1 by 2 and then subtract from R2. So R2 minus 2 R1. So I write transformation performing R2 such that R2 minus 2 R1. Here R1 and R3 is in same position 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4 minus 4 X, Y, Z, which is equal to 8, 1 is in same position, change only R2. Here transformation is R2 minus 2 R1, that means 2 minus 2 means R1, we consider R1 after multiplying by 2 is 2, 4, 6. So 2 minus 2, here 0. Minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. And here 3 into 2, 6. 1 minus 6, minus 5. Here also 8 into 2, 16. 1 minus 16, minus 15. Then we convert this 3 into 0. Means we change R3 on both sides. R3, so perform R3 such that R3 minus 3R1. That means we multiply this R1 by 3 and then subtract from R3. So 3 minus 3, that is 0. 1 minus 3 into 2, 6, minus 5, minus 4, and we multiply this 3 into 3, means 9, minus 4 minus 9, minus 30. Here also R3 means 1, we multiply this R1 by 3, means it is 24, 1 minus 24, that is minus 23. In this case also R1 and R2 remains same on both sides. R3 is changed accordingly, R3 minus 3 R1, that is 0 minus 5 minus 30. So in right hand side minus 23. Now we convert this element minus 5 into 0 so that we get an upper triangular matrix. So to convert this minus 5 into 0, we use this minus 5 of row R2. Means if you transform performing R3 such that R3 minus R2, that means minus 5 minus minus 5 means it is a plus 5. So minus 5 plus 5 0. So I write transformation performing R3 such that R3 minus R2 on both sides. So we get here R1 and R2 remain same. That means it is 1, 2, 3 R1, R2 is 0 minus 1 minus 5 minus 5. Here R1 is 8, R2 is minus 50 on the right hand side. So R3 is changed by using R3 minus R2. So it is 0 minus 0, 0. I write R3 here. Minus 5 minus minus 5, it is minus 5 plus 5, it is 0. And minus 13 minus minus 5 means minus 13 plus 5, it is minus 8. In right hand side also, this minus 23 minus minus 15 means plus 15. Minus 23 plus 15, that is minus 8. So in this way, this matrix A is converted into upper triangular matrix. So we get elements below the diagonals, means all the elements below the diagonals are 0. Now we multiply this matrix, that is upper triangular matrix, by this matrix XYZ. Then we get 1 into X, X plus 2 into Y, 2Y plus 3 into Z, 3Z. X plus 2Y plus 3Z. Then second row, first column, means 0 into X, 0X, minus 5 into Y, minus 5Y, minus 5 into Z, minus 5Z. And third row into first column again 0x, second element plus 0y, third element multiplied minus 8 into z minus 8z is equal to right hand side matrix is 8 minus 15 and minus 8. So we get equations by using definition of equal matrices. So first equation is x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 8. This is the first equation. 0x minus 5y minus 5z is equal to minus 15, means 0x means 0, minus 5y minus 5z is equal to minus 15. And third equation is minus 8z, 0x 0, 0y 0, minus 8z is equal to minus 8. That is equation number 3. So by solving, first we solve equation 3, then 2 and then 1. From equation 3, minus 8z is equal to minus 8, definitely z is equal to 1. Now put z is equal to 1 in equation 2. So from equation 2, minus 5y minus 5z, z means 1, 5 into 1 is equal to minus 15. So minus 5y minus 15, and this minus 5 on the right hand side, we change the sign, it is plus 5. Minus 5y is equal to minus 15 plus 5. So we get minus 5 is equal to minus 10. Therefore y is equal to 2. Now put the value of y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 1 in equation 1. So from equation 1, x is plus 2 into y means 2, plus 3 into z means 1 is equal to 8. So we get equation x, 2 into 2 4, plus 3 into 1 3. X plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 8. That is x plus 7 is equal to 8. Therefore x is equal to 8 minus 7, that is x is equal to 1. In this way, we get values of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 1. These are the solutions of the given equations. So in this way we find the solution of the linear equations by using reduction method. Now we solve another example. This example in exercise 2.3. Example is, solve the following equations by method of reduction. Equations are 2x plus y is equal to 5 and second equation is 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 3. Now solution. given equations are 2x plus y is equal to 5, 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 3. Now convert this equation in matrix form. Matrix form, we consider matrix A is equal to coefficient of x, y. Therefore, the matrix A is equal to 2, 1, 3, 5. 2, 1, 3, 5. Matrix X, that should be determined. So, X is equal to xy. And matrix B is equal to 5 minus 3. Such that equation is Ax is equal to B. Now we put value of matrix A is 2, 1, 3, 5. Matrix X with the column matrix xy is equal to matrix B. It is also column matrix 5 minus 3. Now we convert this matrix A into triangular matrix. Either it is upper triangular or lower triangular. First of all, we convert this element, first element 2 into 1, and then I convert this element 3 into 0. So to convert this element 2 into 1, we multiply this row R1 by 2. That means this element is 2 into 2, 4, and then 4 minus 3. So we subtract R2 from 2R1. Then we get the first element is 1. So I write transformation performing R1 such that 2R1 minus R2. So R2 becomes same here. So I write R2 3, 5 minus 3. And R1 changes to 2 into 2, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 into 2, 2. 2 minus 5. This minus 3. So first row is 1 minus 3. Here also in the right hand side, 5 multiplied by 2. So it is 10. 10 minus 3. That means 10 plus 3. Means first element of R1 here is 13. Now we convert this element 3 into 0 easily. Now we know that 3 minus 3 0. So if we multiply this R1 by 3 and then subtract from R2, then we get 0 here. So I write transformation performing R2 or by R2 such that R2 minus 3 R1. So here R2 is changed, R1 becomes same. First of all, I write R1, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3, and here 30. R2 is changed. Accordingly, R2 minus 3 R1. 3 minus 1 into 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Here 3 into 3, 9. So 5 minus 9 means it is a plus 9. 5 plus 9, 14. And here also minus 3. This 13 is multiplied by 3. So here 39 minus 3 minus 39, we get minus 42. So in this way, the element below the diagonal is 0. So we get upper triangular matrix. Then we multiply this matrix by xy. Then 1 into x, x minus 3y. First element. Then second row, first column, 0 into x, 0x plus 14 into y, 14y is equal to here 13 minus 42. Now, therefore, the equations are by using definition of equal matrix. This matrix has order. This matrix has also order of same, that is 2 by 1, 2 row and 1 column. Therefore, by equality of matrix, first element is equal to first, second element is equal to second. So we get two equations. First is x minus 3y is equal to 13, and second equation is 14y is equal to minus 42. So from equation 2, second equation is 14y is equal to minus 42. Therefore y is equal to minus 3. That means minus 42 upon 14, minus 3. put this value y is equal to minus 3 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x minus 3y is equal to 13. So from equation 1, x minus 3 into minus 3, that is value of y, is equal to 13. So x minus minus plus means x plus 9 is equal to 13. So x is equal to 13 minus 9. So x is equal to 4. So we get values are x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 3. These are the solutions of the given equations by using method of reduction. Now we solve another example using reduction method. This is example in miscellaneous exercise 2b. The example is solve the following equations by using reduction methods. And equations are x plus 2y plus z is equal to 8. 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 11. 3x minus y minus 2z is equal to 5. Now we have to find the value of x, y and z using method of reduction. So solution is, first of all, given equations are we write x plus 2y plus z is equal to 8, 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 11, 3x minus y minus 2z is equal to 5. Now we write its matrix form. Matrix form, we define a matrix capital A is equal to matrix 1 2 1, 2 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 minus 2. These are the coefficients of respective equations. Write in row wise. Means here 1 2 1 first row, 2 3 minus 1 second row, 3 minus 1 minus 2 third row. Now matrix X should be determined, and this matrix X is equal to column matrix X Y Z, and matrix B is equal to column matrix 8 11 5, such that the matrix equation is AX is equal to B. A means capital A is equal to 1 2 1, 2 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 minus 2. Then we put value of X. This is a column matrix small x y z is equal to capital B matrix 8 1 5. Now in reduction method we convert this matrix A into upper triangular matrix by using transformation. We use here row transformation. In this matrix A, the first element is 1, the below element is 2, and the element below this 2 is 3. So first of all, we convert this element 2 into 0. So to convert this element 2 is equal to 0, we have to change row R2 in left hand side as well as right hand side. So I write the transformation is this R2 minus 2R1. That means we multiply this row means R1 by 2 and then subtract from row R2. Then we get 0 instead of 2. Therefore, first of all we write R1 and R3 is in same position. R1 is 1 to 1, R3 is 3 minus 1 minus 2. Here also R1 is 8 and R2 element is 5. We change R2 accordingly, R2 minus 2 R1. So this 2 minus 1 into 2, 2 minus 2, 0. 3, here 2 into 2, 4. 3 minus 4, minus 1, and minus 1 is 1 into 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. In right hand side matrix, I correct this matrix. Matrix B is 8, 11, 5. Here 8, 1, 5. Instead of 8, 1, 5, I correct this matrix as 8, 11, 5. Now transformation in right hand side is R2 minus 2R1. So 11 minus 2 into 8. 2 into 8 means 16. 11 minus 16, that is minus 5. Now we transform another row. Here the third row first element is 3. I convert this 3 into 0. So if you multiply this R1 by 3, means 1 by 3, and then subtract from R3, then we get 0 instead of 3. So I write transformation performing R3 such that R3 is 3 minus 3 into R1. 3 into 1. 3 into R1 means R3 such that R3 minus 3R1. Here R1 and R2 remain same. So I write R1 1 to 1, R2 0 minus 1 minus 3 in right hand side also. Here R1 is 8, R2 is minus 5. Now we change R3 using transformation R3 such that R3 minus 3R1. So we multiply this R1 by 3. So 3 minus 3, 0. Minus 1 minus 2 into 3. That means 6. Minus 1 minus 6 minus 7. And minus 2 minus 1 into 3. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. In right hand side also this element is 5. Here 8 is multiplied by 3. So it is 24. 5 minus 24. That is minus 90. So we get first column of the matrix A is 1 0 0. Now we convert minus 7. This element minus 7 into 0. Using R2 and R3, I change this minus 7 into 0. So I write transformation convert R3 means perform R3 such that this R3 means minus 7 minus 7 into R2. That means this minus 1 is multiplied by 7. So here minus 7 minus plus 7. So we get 0 here. So in this transformation R1 and R2 are unchanged. We will change row R3 in such a way that R3 minus 7 R2. Therefore 0 is multiplied by 7. 0 minus 0, here 0. This minus 1 multiplied by 7 minus 7 minus 7 minus 7, that is plus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 is 0. Here minus 3 multiplied by 7. So here minus 21 multiplied by 7 minus 21. So minus 5 minus plus 21. Here plus 16. In right hand side also this minus 5 is multiplied by 7. So minus 35 minus 19 minus plus 35. So here also plus 16. In this way we convert matrix A into upper triangular matrix. Now we multiply matrix A by this column matrix XYZ and then we find equations. So here multiplication is 1 into x plus 2 into y 2y plus 1 into z. Second row is 0 into x 0x minus y minus 3z, and third row is 0 into x 0x plus 0 into y 0y plus 16 into z plus 16z is equal to matrix 8 minus 5 16. Now the order of the matrix in left hand side and right hand sides are equal. Therefore equating their respective elements, then we get equations are x plus 2y plus z is equal to 8. We get first equation 0x minus y minus 3z is equal to minus 15, means 0x means 0 minus y minus 3z is equal to minus 5. We get second equation, and last third equation is 0x 0 0y 0 plus 16z. 16z is equal to 16. We get third equation. Now by solving these three equations, starting from equation 3, 16z is equal to 16, therefore z is equal to 1. Now from equation 2, equation 2, minus y minus 3z is equal to minus 5. Put value of z, that is 1, in equation 2. So equation becomes minus y minus 3z, value of z is 1, minus 3 into 1 is equal to minus 5. So minus y is equal to minus 5 plus 3. So minus y is equal to minus 2. We get minus minus plus here, y is equal to 2. Now using equation 1, we find value of x by putting values of y and z. So from equation 1 is x plus 2y plus z is equal to 8. So x plus 2y means here 2 plus z means here 1 is equal to 8. Therefore equation becomes x plus 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. So x plus 5 is equal to 8. Therefore x is equal to 8 minus 5. Then x is equal to 3. So in this way we find value of x, y and z. So final solution of this linear equations are, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 1. These are the solutions of these equations.